worry, Minnie. It'll be an adventure. But it looks so scary, Billy Mama. Whoa, look at him. Shh, he's watching us. Oh, look at this poor little guy. He's not doing well at all. How can we help him, Billy Mama? A chest, riddles, and a glowing light. What could it mean, Minnie? Squeak! The leaf, the path, the moon and star. Is that the way? Yes, it is. We did it, Minnie.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
It's flying.
Let's follow it. Let's plant this magical seed, Minnie.
I'll help, Billy Mama.
It's
Almost done. Just one more flower. You'll be all right, little one. These flowers will help.